How's it going, guys? It is Roblox Bazooka Gamer here, and we are going to be reacting to 2 videos of SML, if you know what that is, Super Mario Logan. I've been watching this for about, how many years now? About 1 year. These videos are so freaking funny if you watch the gun and all that and the secret door. So we're going to be watching Jeffy Has the Hiccups and maybe the substitute teacher. I don't know, but let's get right into this video.
Hey, Daddy. Jeffy, what do you want? I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and play my BB policy. Jeffy, you have the hiccups. The hiccups? Why? I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that. I'm kidding nothing, Daddy. Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. With you with those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time. Hold my breath? Hold your breath and I'll make it go away. Hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Keep holding your breath. Just keep holding your breath. Oh, you can breathe. Jeffy, breathe! Jeffy, breathe, Jeffy! Hold on. Realize Jeffy. Kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath. Jeffy, come on! You're alive, Jeffy! Your hiccups aren't gone, Jeffy! Okay, I'm gonna call a doctor, and he's gonna help get rid of those, because I can't say them, they're annoying. Okay, Daddy.
Alright, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups. You call the doctor for hiccups?
Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy. Sarah, stop hitting me. He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What, there's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
What, you're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say ah. Really get up in there. Smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to boom! Yeah, that didn't work. All right, well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we gotta do now is boom! Yeah, no, not quite. I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things.
Okay.
Boom! Oh, man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right, well, stage 2 is basically boom! All right, that's not working. Come on, follow me. Boom! Back on that!
Come on.
Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Come on. Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take it and hold it. A balloon. Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy? No, you've been there. Oh, man, I really thought it was gonna work. What? All right, okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy? Yeah. All right, on to stage 3. Oh, come on, Jeffy. All right, stage 3 is the angry drunk dead so-called reward stage. It's getting every time. Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I got laid off from work today, Sharon. Sharon, what is it? Soggy cookie crisp for dinner again, Sharon? That's not healthy.
Where's my kid so I can yell at him? Don't make me get the mask.
Boom! Did that work? Alright, on to stage 4.
Alright, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
What? Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
A crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
Well, what happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
Alright, let me go get my goggles. Boom! Man, I'm gonna get them eventually. Alright, let's do this!
Okay.
Alright, let's shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Jeffy, are you okay? Yeah. Well, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot! Bullseye!
Well, what are we gonna do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
What?
Yeah, okay, on to stage 5.
Oh, no.
Alright, so for stage 5, we got a bomb here!
Wait, a bomb?
Yeah, a bomb! And Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of those wires, and if he cuts the wrong one, it explodes and we all die!
Well, which wire does he cut?
The black one!
They're all black!
Yeah, I know, that's why it's scary! We gotta get rid of those hiccups!
Oh, okay, Jeffy, I choose a wire. But then I don't know which one to pick.
Just choose a wire, Jeffy!
Oh, yeah, oh, okay, eeny, meeny, miny,
Oh, man.
Why did the bomb go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, on to the next one. Alright, so for stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the twister mat.
What, the twister mat?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
What?
Alright, champ, down you go.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But is his hiccups gone? What do we do now?
Alright, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
Alright, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open. That's good. Alright, how much I owe you?
772.
Okay, let me just get my wallet. Wait, where's my wallet?
Wait, what?
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home.
What?
Oh no, how am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it and I drank my drink, but what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no, what a scary situation. How are we gonna pay you? What do we do?
You leave.
How embarrassing. Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know, so I don't know what to do now.
Yeah, we tried all 7 stages, so what do we do now?
Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What, incurable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for— Boom! Alright. I had to try just one more time. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Daddy, I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Get out of here, you stupid fly!
Come on, Jeffy, it's just a fly. I know, Daddy, but it was really scary. It's trying to eat my face.
Wait, Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Wait, Jeffy, do you have hiccups? I don't think so. What? I think that fly, it cured his hiccups.
My butt.
What?
Oh no, please don't say that.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Boom!
I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Boom! Oh shit. Anyway, that was my first video of SML reaction. Now let's go to the second one. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here, SML wow, my phone. Substitute teacher. Come on.
Hi guys, we have a 3D spinner for
Your phone.
you can control it.
By moving the icon. Alright, Jeff, here's a marshmallow with pancakes. Thanks, Dad. And you gotta go. Jeffy, don't first. That's what's wrong with that. Also, Jeff, you're gonna give your teacher an apple today.
Why, Daddy?
Because you're gonna apologize for all the stuff you did yesterday.
What did I do, Daddy?
You cussed out the teacher and you flipped your desk.
Yep, sounds about right.
So you're gonna give this apple to your teacher and you're gonna apologize.
Hold on, Dad, I got a question real fast.
What?
So all you gotta do is when you're bad, you give somebody an apple and they forgive you?
Well, yeah, that's what you do for the teacher. So you give the teacher the apple and you're gonna apologize.
Well, you can keep the apple, Daddy.
Why? Wait, no.
I'm not hungry, Daddy.
Guys, I'm so tired of school already. Did any of you guys do the homework last night?
Wait, you talking about the 10-page paper, dude?
Yeah, that.
Dude, I can't even afford that much paper. That's like a whole tree.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I did it.
What?
Yeah, I wrote an extra 10 pages on top of that. I wrote a full 20 pages. Hope I get extra cred.
Cody, I'm too tired to flip your desk today.
Oh, good.
I'll do it.
What?
Right,
What?
thanks,
No, wait.
I'm a kangaroo.
Alright, class. I'm very sick today. I'm very sick. So you're gonna have a substitute teacher. So I leave her a note. So you gotta be on your best behavior. Because if I find out that you are on your bad behavior, you're gonna lose all your stars. So I'm gonna go home and eat egg roll soup and kung pao chicken. Hopefully I feel better. Alright, your substitute teacher be in a minute. Behave.
Guys, did you hear that?
Substitute teacher.
You know what that means? Prank the teacher! Alright, guys, what type of prank should we pull on the sub?
I don't know, dude.
Cody, how about you go put thumbtacks on the teacher's chair?
Boss, Junior.
Go do it, Cody. Go do it, Cody.
That'll be a pain in the ass.
Hey, Cody.
What?
Put one in the drink.
That's kind of harsh, don't you think, Junior?
It'll be funny.
Okay, I guess I'll drop a few in there.
Spit in the drink.
Really?
Spit in it.
Okay.
Come back.
Okay.
Cody, that was awesome.
You actually earned cool points, dude.
Really?
Yeah. Cody, one more thing.
What?
Go write, hey, sub, you're ugly on the board. Do.
Hey, sub, you're ugly.
Cody, your savage level? Up here.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, that stuff's gonna get owned.
Yeah, owned. Wait, the sub's coming. Shh.
Hello, class. I'm your substitute teacher.
Oh,
Okay, class, so I'm your substitute teacher. I'm so excited to be teaching you today. My name is... Cody, kids, is that you?
What? Cody, is that your mom?
Yeah.
Dude, it's your mom. I'm almost dead.
I didn't know she was a substitute teacher.
He's not.
Well, what's she doing here then?
I don't know.
Cody, that is you. Hey, everybody, that's my little baby, Cody. Cody, you forgot to take your medicine that makes you not wee-wee in your pants.
Shut up, Mom.
Oh, I'm sorry, Cody. Am I embarrassing you? Okay, I'll pretend like I don't see you. Mommy loves you. Okay, class, my name is Mrs. Nutkiss. Just like it sounds, Nutkiss.
Nutkiss?
Yeah.
What, your last name is Nutkiss?
Here it is.
Like nut, you're kissing nuts? Oh my gosh, your name is Cody Nutkiss.
Yeah, that's it.
I'll write it on the board if you're having trouble understanding how hilarious it is. What's this? Hey, sub, you're ugly. Well, how incredibly rude.
Cody, you wrote that.
Yeah.
You think your mom's ugly?
No.
Then why would you write that?
Because you told me to.
You think your mom's ugly?
Do not.
There, Mrs. Nutkiss. Like I kiss nuts, like a squirrel.
Oh my god, this is gold.
Mom, please stop.
Oh, Cody, stop your whining. Embrace your inner Nutkiss. Kiss those nuts. Oh, talking to all these kids is making me so thirsty. Oh, look at this conveniently placed cup of coffee. Oh.
Jojo's just gonna drink.
Mom, no!
Ow, there's something in the coffee. Why do I taste blood?
She got owned! She just got owned!
Yeah, she did.
Ow. When did they start putting thumbtacks in coffee? That doesn't go together at all. Okay, class, today you're gonna learn some history, okay? I'm gonna teach you about the Nazi cheeseburger and how he took over Germany and did the Holocaust.
Mom, come on, not this again. Stop, it's not even true.
All right, class, I'm gonna show you a documentary about the Nazi cheeseburger. Now you see how he's sitting next to Hitler? Well, that's because Hitler wasn't the real bad guy. It was the Nazi cheeseburger. People say he fed Hitler his lines and his hunger. Now, don't let that smile fool you. That Nazi cheeseburger's hungry for genocide.
Whoa! Cody, did that really happen?
No, of course not. Do you really think a Nazi cheeseburger caused the Holocaust?
Oh, look at the movie. He's in it right there.
Well, I don't know where she got that.
Okay, class. This is the Nazi cheeseburger. Why are you smiling, Nazi cheeseburger? You know what you did. You killed millions of people. Everybody yelled mean things at the Nazi cheeseburger. Screw you, cheeseburger!
Nazi cheeseburger, you can eat my butt.
You suck, Nazi cheeseburger.
Yeah, you suck, Nazi cheeseburger! Guys, don't encourage her. None of this is true.
You look delicious.
You hear that, Nazi cheeseburger? Nobody likes you. Take that, you stupid racist bastard. Ow! Who's shooting spitballs at me? Ow! Stop shooting spitballs!
Whoop.
Ow! Oh, okay, that's it. You want to throw an apple? I'll show you how to throw an apple.
Oh, get wrecked, kid.
Oh my God, Codykins, I'm so sorry. I meant to hit the retard. You know I'm not very good at throwing. Ow.
Oh, Cody, you okay?
Yeah. Why is there a hole in it?
Oh, that's because I stuck my pee-pee in it.
Yeah, they don't call it a red delicious for nothing. Okay, Claire, I'm gonna check my Facebook real quick. Ow! Who put thumbtacks in my chair?
Dude, she got wrecked. I know, right? Here, Cody, read this note.
Why?
Just read the note.
Okay. What a terrible cheeseburger. What? Cody, are you passing notes? No, Mom. Oh, you like passing notes so much, why don't you come up here and read that note in front of the whole class? Okay. Go ahead and read the note, Cody. Okay. Mrs. Nutkiss is so hot. I'd rail her so hard. She could kiss my nuts. And then there's a picture of her kissing a penis. Go sit down, honey. Okay. Thanks, Junior. Now my mom thinks I want to rail her.
Well, I got another note.
No more notes.
Aw.
That was probably the most awkward experience of my entire life.
Dude, you're dating a doll.
Alright, class. Now that we had that lovely little poem from my son, I love you, Codykins, I'm gonna teach you all about marine biology. This is a sea pineapple. And did you know that deep down on the ocean floor, little yellow sponges live inside of these with their pet sea snails and their grumpy squid neighbors? She saw an episode of SpongeBob last night and she thought it was real. Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
How do you think Jeffy's second day of school went?
Hopefully better.
What, Jeffy, what's that?
I got in trouble again, Daddy.
What, you got in trouble again?
Yep.
What'd you do?
She wrote a note.
Jeffy was really bad today. He shot spitballs at me, threw an apple, and threw a globe at me.
Yep.
He's very disruptive. Please speak with him, Mrs. Nutkiss.
What, that's it, Jeffy. You don't get marshmallows with your pancakes anymore.
That's so fair, Daddy. I love marshmallows on my pancakes.
I know, and you don't get them anymore because you're a bad boy.
You said Jimmy's a bad boy.
Oh, yeah, you're a bad boy. Okay, Jimmy! Marshmallows with your pancakes!
Great!
Yeah.
Back over at Caleb's. Someone, I thought Cody said he brought it back. Oh, I don't know where it is, but I'm not going to keep buying bikes if they get stolen. Well, I gotta go. Got that note for your dad. Hopefully he'll look at it.
Okay.
Don't turn the air conditioner on any different.
Okay.
But at 72, it'll go different.
Okay. Well, anyway, guys, that does it for this video. I just figured out that my red bike just got stolen, which sucks. So I'll see you in the next video. Leave a like and subscribe.